What is up, guys? I am Ryan, your tech guy with the Click Experts, and we specialize in internet marketing, software development, and on-site technical support with your networks. Alright guys, this is just a continuation from the last video. We're able to get through on how to terminate RJ45. The pairs on a patch cable, it being straight through, we discussed that each side has to be identical to be a straight through cable, so that was good. And we also went over keystone jacks and how to terminate those. Alright, let's move on to the loadable patch panel. Oh, let's start with that. Let me just go ahead and get this out of the way. All right. So, like the RJ45s, like the keystone jacks, we're just going to score it the same way. Don't pierce through too much. And we'll get rid of our string again. Now, as you guys can see on this patch panel, we have a color code on the inside. It actually says T56-8B. And this is just a B-type patch panel. So I'll go ahead and let's look over here on 1. So 1 actually corresponds to port 1 of the patch panel. I'm not going to terminate all these, but we'll just show you how to do the first one. All right. So much like the keystone jacks, you have a color code. We're going to go ahead and follow that color code. It's actually brown, brown, white, green, green, white, orange, orange, white, blue, blue, white. So we just want to start getting our pairs lined up in that order. Hopefully, I don't know if I can show you this, guys, without it being backwards. Hopefully I can try to do it for you guys backwards. Let's see if we can do it. I'll start out with my browns. I like to leave them just a tiny bit long, and I get shorter as I go. We'll fold in our first one. Brown, brown, white, and hopefully my hands aren't in the way, but we'll do our green. Green, white, orange, orange, white, and blue, and blue, white. All right, that's all of our pairs, and we just have kind of bent them into the right color code. Now all we need to do is punch them in. We'll go ahead and switch back to the right blade. All right, which was the same blade we used before. It's got the sharp end here. It's gonna actually cut off the back side of the cable. Oh, a nice thing about the tool, it actually shows you a cut. And so you always want that cut facing on the side that you want cut. You obviously wouldn't want to cut on the inside because you're just going to cut the cable. You want it to cut off all this excess back here, so that's what we'll do. All right, there we go. Same as before, we'll just start taking these and spinning them. This spin is the best. All right, much like the keystones, we're just looking to make sure all those are seated as far down as they need to be. So kind of inspect it, make sure they're all look like they've pierced all the way down. That looks good. So port 1 of this patch panel is now terminated on the back side. And that corresponds to our port 1 here. And this is just kind of a bridge, guys. Takes the cable in the back, gives you the capability in the front to go ahead and plug just a normal patch cable in. Maybe this goes down to your switch. Maybe you start having a problem with this and maybe you need to change this patch cable out. It's very easy to do so with having the port there. All right, that's our T56 8B termination on a loaded patch panel. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the content or you learned something, please give us a like, a comment, and subscribe. Again, this is Ryan with the Click Experts, your tech guy, signing off.
Thanks for watching. Also, thank you to all those who subscribe and donate. You make it possible for us to continue creating great videos for everyone. See you again soon!